Hello all, good evening. I am going to give a small insight on the topic risk-return trade-off. Risk-return trade-off is an important terminology we usually use during investment. For each and every rupee involved in investment, there is a risk and a return involved. Most probably, trade-off is the term we actually use. Trade-off is a situation where one thing increases and other thing decreases. So risk-return trade-off is nothing but we are using the risk and return portfolios to evaluate the trade-off. So here I have mentioned risk and return. So we have mentioned risk in x-axis and returns in y-axis. Mostly the constant values or terms will be mentioned in x-axis, and based on which the one which depends on the x-axis will be written in y-axis. So based on the risk involved, we are going to gain the return. So mostly risk-return trade-off will be in increasing slanting position. That is, if we invest in low risk avenues, we will get low returns only, and if we invest in high risk avenues, we will get high returns. This is what the concept involved in risk-return trade-off. Mostly cash and cash equivalents will have low risk and low returns. So we will be having cash in hand. So it is going to give no return to us, but it will be safe in our hands. Then fixed deposits. In fixed deposits, we will be getting a return of 4% to 7% based on the bank terms and conditions. Next to that, we can invest in gold and real estates. In that, we will be getting about 6 to 8% profit. And next to that, indexed funds. If we invest in indexed funds, the asset manager or portfolio manager will be maintaining our portfolio in such a way that they will be investing our money both in fixed deposits, debentures, bonds. In any other avenues, they will be investing our money in proportionate form. So in that, we will be having some small risk and also some return we will be gaining. And next to that, equity funds. So in equity funds, more risk is involved. So we will be unable to predict the market situation in certain conditions. In that times, we will be losing our whole money. So based on the risk involved in investment, we will be gaining our returns. This is the concept involved in risk-return trade-off.